Good morning students, 8th standard science, physics, chemistry part, unit 5, electricity. What is electricity? Electricity means a form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles. Okay, a form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles. Okay students. Students, what is this? Yes, this is an atom structure. Okay, this is an atom. Okay, atom. An atom consists of proton, electron, and neutron. Okay, these are the subatomic particles. Okay, already we learned atom have three particles: electron, proton, and neutron. Okay, students, proton and neutrons, these proton and neutron are found inside the nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus, which is at the center of an atom. Okay, this is the nucleus. Okay, the first circle denote the nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus we see proton and neutron. Okay, plus means proton. Okay, plus means proton. This green color sphere, this is chargeless particle, this is neutron. Okay, this is neutron. Okay students, proton and neutrons are combined inside the nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus. Then what about electron? Electrons revolve around the nucleus in different path. Okay, this path is called orbit. Okay, this orbit, electron orbit. Okay, this orbit is also called electron orbit. Okay, this is the inner orbit, this is the outermost orbit. Okay students. Okay, this electrons in the innermost orbits are strongly attracted by the proton. Okay, this innermost electron attracted by proton, so they cannot be removed from the atom easily. Cannot be removed from the atom easily. These electrons cannot be removed. Okay, but in the outermost orbits are loosely bound and they can be easily removed from the atom. Okay, the outermost electron easily removed from the atom. Okay students, this is an atom structure. Students, next we see the topic charges. Students, here we see this is plus means positive charge. Okay, minus means negative charge. Okay, charges can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, there are two types of charges. One is positive charge and another one negative charge. Okay students. Okay, protons carry positive charge. Protons carry positive charge and electrons carry negative charge. There is a force of attraction or repulsion between the charges. Here we see unlike charges. Here like charges repel each other. Here we see the arrow mark denote repel each other. Repel means opposite. Okay, plus these are like charges repel each other. Negative charge, this is also negative. Okay, so this is repel each other, but here we see this is negative, this is positive, so these charges attracted. Okay, unlike charges attract each other. Okay, unlike charges attract each other. Okay students, next we see the topic transfer of charges. Okay students, transfer of charges takes place in the three ways. First one, transfer by friction. Okay, then second one, transfer by conduction. Third one, transfer by induction. Okay, transfer by friction, transfer by conduction, transfer by induction. Okay students, first we see the topic transfer by friction. Okay, Here we see what is this? This is comb. Okay. Comb rubbed with hair gain electrons. Okay. Here we see negative sign. Okay. This comb rubbed with your hair, it gains electrons. Okay. It gains electrons from the hair and becomes negatively charged. Okay. So this comb have negatively charged. When a piece of paper, here we see this is piece of paper. The piece of paper is teared into bits. Okay, bits. Okay, the positive and negative charges. Positive and negative charges. Okay, are present at the edge of the bits. Okay, these are the paper bits. Okay. Here, the negative charges in a comb attract the positive charge of the bits. Okay, attract the positive charge of the bits. So the paper bits are moving towards the comb. Okay, the paper bits are moving towards the comb. While combing hair, charges are transferred from hair to comb due to friction. Okay, due to friction. Students, this is bits. Okay, paper bits. Paper bits are moving towards the comb. Okay. Students, in the similar effect, we see another one example. When a glass rod, this is a glass rod. Okay. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth. Okay. This is silk cloth. Okay. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, the glass rod is transfers electrons to the silk cloth. Glass rod transfers electrons to the silk cloth. So the silk cloth become negatively charged. Okay, this is ebonite glass rod. Glass rod become positive charge. Okay. Students, see another one example. Here this is fur. Okay, this is fur. This is ebonite rod. Okay, when an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur. Okay, fur or woolen cloths. Okay, fur rubbed with fur. The fur transfer electrons to the ebonite rod. The fur transfer electrons to the ebonite rod. So ebonite rod become negatively charged. Okay, this fur is become positively charged. Okay, students, these are the transfer of charges by friction. Okay, these are the examples of transfer by friction. Okay, students, thank you.